Hi, I'm Jerry Johnson, MKE Property Detailing. We're in Hill's Corner today doing a full complete house wash. As you can see, there's a lot of mold and algae on the customer's siding. This is the north end, so you know that's where it mostly builds up at. We're also going to take care of all of their plants by feeding them, watering them, make sure they're all drunken up, so that's the way, you know, they're not bringing up nothing. We also mist them and make sure, even though our house wash, you know, it's only at a 1% solution, so it really is not going to hurt the plants or flowers or anything, but we still take the necessary precautions just in case. But usually you only have to take care of your plants really good and cover them when you're doing a roof wash. This is a house wash. It's a lower percentage of concentration of sodium hypochlorite, so you don't have to worry too much about that, but we still take, you know, the necessary precautions anyway. But anyway, back to the house wash. All of the mold and algae that's built up here, we're going to shoot that with our solution, which you're going to see in a little bit, and you know, you're going to see it basically just disappear right before you, and then we rinse it all off with low pressure. We're also taking care of all the gutters and the soffits. You see how bad it is here. Come under here, Jordan. See all that right there? All the way across, and then also around here in the back. Alright, we made sure all the plants are drunken up. We've moistened them up, and, you know, sprayed them, make sure they're all fine. So now we're about to shoot up our solution. We're going to show you exactly how it's done right now. Take it out. Now after we sprayed up our solution, just to take a precautionary measure, we're going to make sure there's no more soap in the wand. We took it out the bucket. Now we're spraying straight water. And then we go ahead and rinse off your plants again. And this is all with low pressure. It might look, but it's not. Low pressure. And then we're going to sit and we're going to let this sit. As you can see, our solution is already turning the algae bright green, starting to run. We're going to let it sit there, kill all the spores and that's up there. So that's the way we're totally getting rid of the algae. We're not just blasting it away. We're actually getting rid of it. As you can see up here, all the mold is starting to dissipate and, you know, go away. All up here, all underneath. But Perry over there is gonna go ahead and agitate them anyway. All right, and as you can see, the mold is like already blowing away. We let it sit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it one more time with solution and then quickly rinse it off. And I'll show you how right now. You're gonna see how that mold just completely goes away in a second. Okay. Before. Now we're gonna wrench it off. I'll show you from here. Come closer, let them see all this mold. It was a lot worse, you know, but it's all dying off. But now with low pressure, like I explained to you, all low pressure. We're done with the house wash. Boys are in the back doing the whisper wash and surface cleaning. We'll show you that in a second. But as you can see, all the mold and algae is gone. Still a little wet. That's, you know, it's going to dry up fine. All the plants and everything is good. You can see underneath. You remember how bad it was. Now it's no more. Show them underneath. It was really bad, and now there's no more. And I'll show you the back. I also went ahead and did their air conditioning unit. It was pretty bad moldy. It was no big deal. I went ahead and hit it.